dun, 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 dun.
What are we doing today?
I am going to give a revenge, and she's gonna take my revenge.
We are doing again
Yeah.
a trading competition.
Yeah.
But the rules are different. We are gonna finish all our trades, 5 maximum trades, within 1 hour, all today. I'm gonna create a new demo account, 100K each, and we'll see who wins. We're gonna have a midway checkup right here. We're gonna tell you about our strategy.
Yeah.
Secretly, but we're gonna trade face to face today. Yes, see you in the next catching up.
I will give you revenge. So how I am going to trade today, I think that I'll be doing technical analysis with candlestick patterns and different types of graph patterns. I'm gonna use EMAs, moving average exponential, easy indicators like MACD, RSI, OBV. But I'm going to mainly use these two things. The candlesticks pattern, and then indicators.
Are you gonna trade scalp or long trade?
I mean, 1 hour, what can we do? We have to scalp, right? So probably I'm going to trade crude oil because crude oil yesterday moved 10%, up 4%, down 6%, up by 4%. Wait, more than 10% then. Yeah, so no, 4%, 4.5, and 2%, something like this. So it's 10%. I will trade crude because there's going to be a lot of volatility in London, I think. And still there are a lot of volatility right now.
Wait, I wanna rotate on the chair and like. Who is this? Is this a winner trader in today's competition? All right, my strategy. I think my strategy is to trade fast today. Last time we had the whole day, so I was aiming for longer trades, even though I ended up having 3 losing trades and then 1 lucky winning trade. So my goal is to have 5 semi-quick trades, and then I'm gonna trade on 5 and 1 minute time frames because 1 hour is not a lot. I'm gonna trade gold. I think I'm gonna look at the VWAP, but VWAP is a bit more long-term, so I will see what kind of levels I can find, just different support levels. So I will look for those first, and then I will try to figure out the entry based on that. See you guys in the next one. Okay, the timer starts
now.
Okay, I'm at the trade just because I saw this flat right here, and then I think that it's gonna go down because of the overall trend, and I felt like it broke through, but now I'm looking at this. I'm not sure, but this is my first trade. I'm gonna wait for it to hit either. It's also 1 minute. Can you repeat what you said?
So I cannot find any entry right now. So I might not trade for an hour. And you trade and you lose 5 times, right? So I will win by $0. You know what I'm saying?
Guys, this should be illegal. It didn't take my take profit.
Real man, full ports. No. The same gold, by the way. The same gold as my wife is doing. I will take it out. I will take it out. 1, 2, 3. Squeaky clean. Holy. Let's see. Up. Oh, I got realized with this jump. Amazing. Another $2.62. Okay. Close position. And you all know that reversals are the best one to earn money, right? So I'm going for a reversal. Oh, let's go. Let's go close it. Let's go close it. Close it. Down. Down. Stop. Stop. Okay. Go down more. Yes. Target hit. So overall, I'm in 5,572. This is so cute. 2.10. I'm just full pouring everything. So mine turned out to be like this. 2.1 is just I didn't know there was only 5 trades. I forgot. And then I should have traded on here, capital.com, but I traded OKX. So this one and this one, OKX also, I thought this was main trades that I did like this. I did very small amount. And this one I went for long in BTC, but I to minus. It's all right. And my biggest killer was this and then this. Because of this one and this one, I don't have any other positions to have extra.
So this is a middle of the competition update. Start.
As you know, I trade very fast. I do scalping so much. And last time I finished within few hours, right? It was the full 24 hours. Like 3-4 hours last time. And this time it's for 1 hour and I finished in between like 20 minutes. So I took 5 trades. Yeah, I finished within 20 minutes. And then right now my wife, Anastasia, is still in a trade.
Yeah, so I had 2 trades, both minus. And I'm on the 3rd trade that I double position and then went opposite way.
The point was that before she was, you mentioned, right?
Okay. I had 2 trades. One
The
was
first one.
My first one was gold. It was just wrong.
No, it was not wrong. It should have hit your target.
Oh yeah, it should have. Yeah, I filmed it. It should have hit my target, but then it somehow didn't hit it, and then it went all the way opposite direction. So
Yeah.
it was minus. Another trade was in gold, and then it was like weird. I put the position, but then my minus was like minus 1,000, and my stop loss was minus 800. So I was like, how it can be minus 1,000 if my stop loss is minus 800?
1,600, and it went down to 1,000.
No, but the graph wasn't moving. Like I couldn't see any movement, so I just cut it, and I'm on 2 minus trades right now. Actually 3. Now it's again in minus. But yeah, I have 2 more trades to go, so I think I will go again all in, like I did in the previous time.
Probably I'm gonna win this time.
28 minutes to go.
Didn't you get hurt just now?
Yeah. This fridge tried to kill me.
She opened it like this, but at the same time she pressed it, and then this got closed, and then and she hit the.
This hurts more.
No, you won last time. Oh, by the way, it was minus 500, but going to minus 0.
Hello, guys.
Hello. I'll show you one thing.
Wait. The time has passed.
Yes.
And we have the updates.
Click balance history here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, baby.
My trades are crazy, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna...
Yeah.
These are my trades.
And these are my
And these
trades.
are Minwoo's trades. How do we start?
So we have finished our trades. It's been 1 hour, and it has been ups and downs so much.
Well, for you, it's not that much ups and downs. It's only ups and then 1 down.
No.
And for me,
I
it's
did-
down.
Yeah, because we had to force it in even before the London session.
The time was
So,
not going.
yeah.
I was even shorting
Because you're used to
Bitcoin.
New York.
Yeah.
You trade on New York, and I
Yeah.
trade London.
I was shorting Bitcoin, and the movement was like, I was like, oh my god! It was like plus $10, minus, and I went maximum. Like it's just no movement at all. So, unfortunately, this time it wasn't as successful as last time. And I mean, also I have less experience than Minwoo, but I'm in minus $6,000.
No, actually $5,936.7.
Almost $6,000. I traded crude.
You did crude?
Oh wait, yeah, I did.
Yeah,
crude.
you did crude.
I did 2 golds, Nasdaq, and Bitcoin. You can see I was all over the place trying to find some movement. Unfortunately, it all went wrong direction, and then I don't even know like what kind of analysis should I, because I'm not a scalper at all. I don't know how to do
She
short
does swing.
trades. Yeah.
She does London. She does New York, and then she leaves next New York, next London,
Yeah.
something like this, until it hits her target.
Yeah.
But she takes place in New York time.
Maybe you know the Tori trades. So I was following her strategy, and then I learned through her videos basically.
By the way, Bitcoin is falling now.
I really like her strategy because it's a swing trade, and she does 1 trade a month. But for me, it was more 1 trade 2 weeks, 1 trade a week. So this was kind of my comfort zone because I don't like to look at the graph all the time. It stresses me out. But this time, because of the 1 hour limitation, I actually had to cut my Bitcoin trade early because of the time. And now it goes down. Today, my result is minus 6K. What about you?
So for me, I said that in the beginning, I will trade crude oil because there are a lot of volatility, right? But I found out that there's not much of a volatility, even if there's a war thing going on, Trump assassination going on, like this and that. But not much volatility right now. I decided to go for gold. So I did 1, 2, 3 gold, and then 1 Nasdaq and 1 Bitcoin. What I want to tell my mistake, again, it's my 3rd time or 2nd time, I don't know. I did 2 gold perpetual, XAU USDT dot perpetual in OKX crypto broker. It has this gold, so it allows me to bet less positions, which means that I can earn less. So I earned very minimally when I could earn more if I did traditionally. So that was my biggest mistake, even if I lost the last one, $1,000, $950. Aside from that, everything is good. And I like my trades today. And I was not emotionally doing it. I knew what I was doing. And I knew what where my stop was. I knew my risk was. This is a fun part of doing scalping. She really doesn't like scalping.
I hate scalping. Oh my god, it stressed me out so
Yeah.
much. And I took all the 1 hour. Like I literally spent the whole hour looking at the graph.
Yeah.
I didn't like it at all. Thank you so much for watching. This time we put a bit less of our recordings of the strategy. Becomes boring. But we'll see. Maybe next time we will try different ways of filming this and then see.
We're improving
Yes.
day by day.
Yes.
We're still
Beginners.
improving. Oh, by the way, show your Bitcoin chart right now.
Look at this. Do you see this? Do you see? Do you see my trades? And do you see where it is right now? This was my TP.
TP would have been like 10K, by the way.
No.
This is,
5,
yes.
5K.
5K?
Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Really enjoy filming these videos. And see you in the next one.
And she will edit it very well. Peace out.